Today, I am going to be doing some stuff today for, showing you what I do on a daily. I'm going to show you guys some things that I do when I'm not streaming. Mostly it is doing scheduling stuff, especially on Sundays. So this is my Figma. You'll see how easy this is, like super easy this is for me to go and edit. So that's why I like this. I got this from Chronico. They do custom stuff. They made custom schedules programmed with Figma, which is really cool. I can work on my times by just hitting reset, and you see how it will populate these streams. So I'm just going to go ahead and change up the times on them. So 18 is 6 o'clock. You kind of have to know the 24-hour time. So I'm just doing this. Have an 8 o'clock stream there. And one stream, 2 o'clock there. So we're just going to hit update. And you see how it populated on here? I populated all this. I could change the art if I want to, but I'm not going to. It's as easy as clicking on the stuff and populating it that way. This one is artwork. It's probably working on things that I need to do. I'm going to put them last 0 in here, and you can edit how big and how small you want your type font to be. For example, working on story and my infinite battery power. And I know I have it offline right here for Wednesday. I can always scroll to Wednesday, which is even cooler. And I see my offline button. I am just going to go ahead, and there's a subheader right there. And I'm just going to go ahead, click on the subheader. If it'll let me, try to find the text. Sometimes it'll let you. Sometimes it won't. I want to text you. Okay, there we go. It's my birthday. And I am going to move. No. I'll move you. No. I'm just going to keep it my birthday. It's easier to do the non-offline ones, so I'm just gonna do Monster Hunter right. You gave me, and then this one's also, and I'm gonna put a question mark right here. My adventures, and then to be determined. Getting things done. There we go. I have all this stuff fixed up and ready to go. So now I will just pop my pages. So I have all my stuff on my pages. Everything is highlighted. Actually, I'm going to highlight everything. And then I just go over to my file, export. It'll have this little icon, click the export, and everything is in here. So this one is March 23rd. I like to go and hit it with the date. So that's kind of how I do my scheduling. It's super quick. It's super easy. I know other people use Canva or Photoshop. I just feel like this program has saved me so much time. If I ever created another schedule, I will definitely program it with the BTS schedule and do that. I've customized this to like my background, how it looked, the stickers on here. It's very customizable. And I got this from, I think, Chronico. And there's other people who will have this with the VTS schedule stuff too. So it will be really nice to go and just, add stuff. You can also reset the art, reset the titles, that kind of stuff. And it does have my times and everything too. Oh shit, it has 6 o'clock right there. Whoops. So if I made like an oopsie, I can always go and change it real quick. So I made an oopsie there, and you see how it changed. So now I can just go back and export it. Just gonna go ahead and export it again. There we go. File, export, and I can just do March 20. I can just get my PNG and replace it. Super easy. It's just one of those things that I like using. One of my time savers. Some of us, we definitely need the time savers, especially if you're working a 9 to 5 and doing content creation